2016 MKZ all-wheel drive 3.7 liter V6. I always liked them when they came out, man. They look like swans. I don't know why. To me, it looked like a swan with the wings open. See it in the front? Yeah. You see that? Yeah. I guess I'm weird like that. Anyways, factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then goes into 2 flex pipes and it's true dualed. Okay, then usually it comes single. But what we did is we cut it off, put a MAGNAFLOW right there, dual in, dual out with a built-in X pipe, and then another X pipe behind it, so it gives it that double helix setup. Cuts down on rasp and gives it a really nice deep tone. Here's the part number on the MAGNAFLOW, 11386. And then we'll get you a part number on the X pipe in a second, okay? It'll be in the description also. There's the MAGNAFLOW, dual in, dual out. There's the X pipe, 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, continues. Then we started it when it was over here and it was raspy. So we had to add something else to it, which are the NETAMI spiral mufflers. Good old NETAMI right there. Here's the part number, NT1018, NT1018 by NETAMI. And then here's the part number on the X pipe right there. There'll be a link in the description for it off Amazon. And then there's the NETAMIs right there, the spiral mufflers there and there. We really like putting these on actually because they actually cut a lot of the rasp away. We were pleasantly surprised. And then as you guys can see, we finished it off into his stock tips out the back on each side, there and there. Came out really nice, real clean. 3.7 all-wheel drive MKZ. And there's where it widened to a single there. There's the resonator that was on it. Then it goes out of the resonator into the muffler with a dual outlet there. So you can see we cut all that off and replaced it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, and it just got a sexy look to it with the NETAMI resonator. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. That's not raspy at all. It's just deep. That's what we were looking for, no rasp. Here's sound decibels. Right at 88.6. So we'll call it 90. Perfect cruising car, perfect speed. Clean. Now the sound fits the car, you know. Before it was too quiet. That sounds so clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's a cool looking ride, man. Futuristic for its time. I like it. Remember when they first came out, they were really sexy cars. But you see, like, it looks like swan wings. Am I right, guys? It's like a swan about to take off. Look at that. It's so cool. Instead of those big grills and all that, that's a clean grill. It's just all the lines flow together really cleanly. And then if you guys ever rode in these, they're so comfortable. It's like riding in a couch. It sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.